Hi everyone, welcome back to another quick, easy and healthy recipe. And today I bring before you all a mouth-watering sizzling pan grilled veggie recipe which tastes amazing. Not only are they incredibly delicious, but they are also super healthy, packed with nutrients. And whether you are a vegetarian, vegan or just a foodie, this pan grilled vegetables are an excellent choice for any meal. So friends, let's get started with this healthy grilled veggie recipe which you can include in your weight loss diet plan as well. And here I have taken one green zucchini. First we will trim the edges and then I'm going to slice them diagonally in this way. And we need to slice them slightly thick so that they don't turn soggy when we grill them. Next I will cut half of a red bell pepper. Make sure you deseed them first and then I will cut them into medium portions or chunks in this way. Also will include half of a yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. Try to include as many colorful veggies as you can, and winter season is the best time to indulge in this grilled veggie recipe. Then here I have taken 2 small to medium sized tomatoes. We slice them into half. We'll deseed the tomato halves. And these are also done. So here in this bowl I have taken the zucchini slices, tomato slices and the bell pepper chunks, and now we need to season them. Here goes some salt and some black pepper as per taste. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then this is garlic bread seasoning which has got dried garlic, onion, chives, oregano. Adding half teaspoon of it, which will greatly enhance the taste of our grilled veggies, and along with that goes around 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. To coat the seasonings well with the veggies, we'll be adding just a teaspoon of olive oil, and to give a smoky flavor we'll be adding around 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And now we need to mix all the ingredients so that they coat well with the veggies. And we will let this rest for about 5 minutes. Next, here in this bowl I have taken some veggies which take longer time to get cooked, and I have steamed them slightly, so they are now almost 60 to 70% cooked, and as a result will be cooked easily when we grill them. So I have taken here baby potatoes sliced into half, cauliflower florets of medium size, and carrots sliced diagonally in this way. Also, you can include any other veggies of your choice. And now we need to season them. Here goes some black pepper and some salt as per taste. I'll be using the same seasoning as before. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Also some garlic bread seasoning which will give a garlicky flavor to our grilled veggies. And not to forget the mixed herbs, adding a pinch of it, as well as some smoked paprika. And finally a teaspoon of olive oil. We'll mix this well until the seasonings coats well with the veggies. And we will let this rest for about 10 minutes. Next we will grease the grill pan with some olive oil. And when the pan is hot enough, we will add the steamed veggies first, because they need to be cooked well before they get charred with grill marks. And once the veggies are arranged in the grill pan, we will now cover and let them cook on medium flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will remove the lid and brush the veggies with a little olive oil so that they don't dry out in the grilling process. And now we will flip the carrots and the cauliflower and allow them to grill from the other side. By now the carrots are done from both the sides, so I will take them off. Now let's check the potatoes. We'll flip them and we'll let them cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are done. In the meantime, the cauliflower florets are also grilled well from both the sides. We'll take them off. And now time to add in the grill pan the zucchini slices, tomato halves. Meanwhile, the baby potatoes are also done now, so we'll take them off. Into the grill pan now goes the bell pepper chunks. After a minute or so, we will flip the zucchini slices and the tomato halves. And as these veggies don't need much time to get cooked, they'll be ready within 2 minutes. The ones which are done and grilled well from both the sides, we'll take them off one by one. And by now all the veggies are cooked and grilled well, so we'll take them off and arrange them for serving. And friends, here goes our sizzling pan grilled colorful veggies in the serving plate, which is a must try recipe during these winters, and you can include this in your healthy diet plan. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other healthy and grilled recipes in my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking everyone.